With DraftKings, you can set a new lineup each week. Here's my lineup for Week 7.
One of my value picks this week is San Diego Chargers quarterback Phillip Rivers. He's only $6,500, which ranks 9th among quarterbacks. He threw for 503 yards last week against the Green Bay Packers, and he has a favorable matchup this week against an Oakland Raiders defense giving up the second most pass yards per game. Another value pick is Arizona Cardinals wide receiver John Brown. He's only $5,500, and he has season-high 196 receiving yards last week against a good Pittsburgh Steelers defense. He has 3 straight games of 75 or more receiving yards, and he has a pretty good matchup against a Baltimore Ravens defense that's giving up the 5th most passing yards in the league.